How to use Expedia for flights, or how to use Expedia to book flights. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Expedia travel, hotel and flight for flight. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up Expedia and log into your account here. Now I'm here on the application. I might face some interference here, but I'll just be showing you through here. Now, as you can see at the very home page, once you're logged in, you'll find stays, flights, packages, cars and things to do. If you want packages, you can head to packages, or stays or cars. But if you want flights, you want to simply head into flights. Now here, what you want to choose is you want to choose the class here: economy, premium economy, business class and first class. So you want to choose it, and then you want to choose the living place and going to, so where you are living from, the city. So I'll just choose here anything, and then going to, so you want to choose the going to as well. So once you have chosen, you want to select the dates. Simply tap on dates and you want to select the dates. If you want to select the coming and going, the two-way flight or a single. So if you want a two-way flight, then you can just tap single, or if you want two-way, you can tap on two dates, the coming and going. If you want one, then simply tap on single one and then tap on done. Then you want to select travelers, tap on travelers, and you want to select travelers whether it is one adults, two adults, number of children is 2 to 17, infants in seat, infants on lap, and then tap on done, and then you can tap on search. Now once you do on search, if the flight is available, you'll find it right here. Then you can go ahead and you can choose for the booking. This is the way that you can use Expedia for flights. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.